My name is Sاجد Javid, and I'm standing to be leader of the Conservative and Unionist Party and the next Prime Minister. My message is simple. It's time to rebuild trust, to find unity and to create new opportunities for our country. As last night's results made all too clear, we must get on and deliver Brexit to ensure there's renewed trust in our democracy. We must bridge divides to heal communities, reminding us of our shared values as a united kingdom. And we must strengthen our society and economy so everyone can benefit from the opportunities which a prosperous nation provides. I love my country, and my pledge to the British people is to be a leader who is always straight, fighting for their interests. I entered politics to do my best for this country, the country which has done so much for me. As Prime Minister, I would strive to achieve that ambition every single day.